Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll explain to you how to fix Windows 11 broken or corrupt files. So guys, I recommend doing this very easily instead of actually doing this manually, because manual process will require you to input some commands and just mess around with things that not everyone knows how to do. So instead I recommend you use this software. It's free and it's safe. I've used it, so I can recommend it. Ultimate Windows Tweaker. Alright, so if you have Windows 11, download the version 5. So just navigate to the website. I will show you where to download it. So just scroll a bit down and we'll have a button. There you go. So this button will let you download. I already did. So when you open it up, you can just uninstruct this folder wherever you want and just launch this exe file. And now guys, in here, everything's pretty simple. If you want to run a system file check, you just need to press both of these buttons. Alright, so firstly this one. So as you can see now, this little command cmd window will appear, and as you can see, we begin the verification of system files. So this is just scanning our system files, and if it finds any corrupt Windows files, it will restore them. And then also the second, let us just wait for this to complete and I will explain. Okay, as you can see now, this command has done its job, and it says that it did not find any integrity violations. This means that your system does not have any corrupt files. You can close this. Now choose this second button and let it do its job. So this will basically do another second operation of checking your files, system files, for corrupted or broken files. Then it will actually download those files that are missing from the Windows official service. So this is not a third-party tool whatsoever. I mean, this one is, but the actual command that it's running is not third-party. This is actually inbuilt in Windows. So just let this finish. If it tells you that it found some corrupt files, it will restore them automatically, and then just restart your computer. Guys, that's it. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to support us with a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.